Okay, so what is perimeter and how to find perimeter? Perimeter is the measure of the outside of the shape. And what I usually tell my students is, imagine your shape is a paddock or a farm, and you want to put up a fence around that farm. Your perimeter would be how long that fence is. So for an example, this rectangle in front of us, the perimeter is the outside of the shape. So how much length is around our shape? So we would start and we would count all the sides of our shape and calculate the perimeter. So for the triangle, you can see that we have one side being 3 meters, the other side being 3 meters, and the bottom being 5 meters. To work out our perimeter, all we need to do is add up all those measurements. So 3 plus 3 plus 5, and we end up with 3 plus 3, 6 plus 5 equals 11. So the perimeter is equal to 11. We need to make sure we've got our units, and that is 11 meters. For this second example, we have a little bit of a different shape. It's a composite shape, and it's irregular shape, and we aren't given all of our measurements. But again, we're just trying to find how much all these side lengths add up together, and that is going to be equal to our perimeter. So we will firstly need to identify our missing sides. So you can see we've got 3 meters, 2 meters, 5 meters, and 2 meters again, but we're missing this bottom side, and we're also missing this little edge in there. Okay, so that's what we're going to be looking for to find our perimeter. So we need to be able to work out the bottom side first, which is relatively easy. And what we need to do is look at the top, and the top total length from corner to corner is 2 plus 5. So that means that the bottom here is also the same. That's because these are right angles. So 2 plus 5 is equal to 7 meters. Okay, so we found that the bottom is 7 meters, and we can also do the same for the other side. I'll just rub these out really quickly. So we can do the same for the other side. We can see that one side is 3 meters, and the opposite side only has 2 plus the remainder, whatever it is, to equal up to 3. So 2 plus something equals 3. Or we could also do 3 minus 2 is equal to our answer. So 2 plus 1 equals 3, and we also know 3 minus 2 equals 1. So this side length here is equal to 1 meter. And we've found all the lengths of our shape. So we've found the perimeter, and now we need to just add it all up. So our perimeter is equal to 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 5 plus 2 plus 7. That equals 20 meters. Again, remembering to use our units.